How to update Instagram account with new feature. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you update Instagram account with new feature. So in order to update it with the new feature, you could first of all try launching the app and then long press the application. Go to the app info section here, come to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache and then you could go ahead and open up your respective app store. Then on the search bar, you simply want to type in Instagram. And when you locate it, so you could go ahead and update it. And this is going to help you out to update Instagram account with new feature. Now, this is one way of doing it. So similarly, switching your account can also give you an access to a lot of new features. So you could switch your account type. So for that, just go to your profile section from the bottom of the page. And when you go to the profile section, tap onto the menu bar from the top of the page. Alright, while you're on this page, what next you need to do is here, you simply want to go ahead and make sure to click on the creators tools and insight. Then you have to go ahead and switch your account type, or just go to account type and tools and then click on switch to professional account and then follow the on-screen prompt, and this is also going to help you out to update Instagram account with new features. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.